Welcome back to CAD Jungle. In today's quick tip, we're going to be creating lead-ins chamfers for external threads. I'm going to demonstrate by starting out creating two cylinders. 20 by 40. Create a second cylinder. 20 by 40. All right, for the first one, I'm going to go ahead and create a chamfer. Just put it on this edge. Let's add some threads to it. I'm going to make it modeled. Okay. Now, if you look very, very closely, there is really no lead in for this chamfer with the external threads. It stops right at the chamfer. Okay, let's go ahead and let's solve this. We're not going to create the chamfer first. We're going to create the threads first. So let's go ahead and create threads. Modeled. And we don't want it to be full length. So we can drag this up if we like. Doesn't matter. What we really care about is the bottom here. We're going to drag this up about right there. As long as it doesn't go to the edge. You can bring it close to the edge as possible. Let's go ahead and create a chamfer. Grab this edge here and let's drag it in until we cover up this edge here. If you can see here, I want it to join right here at this lip, the very top of the lip, about right there. All right. And you'll see that you'll get your lead in that you didn't have previously with this chamfer here. Right about wraps it up for this video. I'll see you in the next one.